if you guys want to learn how to make the puffiest royal icing, you have made it to the right video. We're going to start off by combining our warm water, our flavoring. I use vanilla extract, but you can use any flavor of your choice. And we're also going to combine our corn syrup until the syrup is dissolved. Now we're going to add our meringue powder and we're going to mix until the powder is dissolved and the liquid is nice and smooth. Let me tell you that this part right here took a while to get, like, I'm not even joking, my hand was getting tired, but it did get smooth, which is the good part. Now in a separate bowl we're going to add our powdered sugar. I used my stand mixer, but you can also use an electric mixer. I will leave down below in the description box the Amazon link where I purchased my mixer or my electric mixer if you guys want to go check it out. Once we have our powdered sugar in our bowl and our whisk attachment, we're going to add our liquid into the powdered sugar and we're going to mix. For this part, I started adding little by little and whisking it, only because we are setting our machine to medium speed and I didn't want the powdered sugar to go crazy everywhere on my counter. Now we're going to stop our machine and we're going to make sure that we scrape the sides just to get all that powdered sugar combined equally. And this right here is the fun part. Like, this is so cool to watch. We're going to put our mixer on high for 5 to 6 minutes and the icing will get really, really puffy. This part right here is about like 2 to 3 minutes in, and then the next clip coming up is about 5 minutes in. Look how puffy the royal icing looks. It's so cool. I stopped it just to make sure everything was well combined, and look how thick it is. I was like so surprised. Now we're gonna start adding 1 tablespoon of warm water. This part is the trickiest part about royal icing, so I'm going to try my best to explain. I started off by adding 1 tablespoon of warm water. I checked it with a spoon to check the consistency and it was still too thick for my liking. So I added a 2nd tablespoon of warm water and I let it mix for a little while. And once again, I checked the consistency to see if it's the thickness of my liking. It wasn't, so I added another tablespoon of the warm water. I let it mix and then I checked it again. I ended up adding 4 tablespoons of water to get it to the consistency of my liking. I know that there's people that use the same consistency for their flooding and for their outline, which is totally fine. But me, on the other hand, I like to have 2 different types of consistency. So this consistency that you're seeing right here, I use that for the outline. I also forgot to record this part. But once you have the right consistency, you're going to cover your bowl with a damp towel or paper towel and let it sit for at least 10 minutes. And then using a spatula, you're going to gently push to get all of the bubbles out. Now you're going to separate your royal icing into different bowls and you're going to add your food coloring. And that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on post notifications so you never miss a new video. Adios!